Let's see the recent maritime accidents. In Mundra Port, India, the container ship SEA Express capsized. On January 7, the container ship SEA Express experienced instability while transporting goods at Mundra Port in India. The ship began to list to port, then to starboard, and finally came to rest on the pier to starboard. Unknown amount of containers fell into the water. Some continued to float and drift. PL Arthena's crew was saved when it capsized in the Gulf of Siam. 10 to 12 nautical miles off Koh Phangan Island and close to Samui Island, Surat Thani Province, Thailand, the tug PL Arthena drowned on January 7. 9 crew members boarded a lifeboat and were taken aboard the neighboring tanker Napapa. Situation emerging as the bulk carrier Glory becomes disabled in the Suez Canal. The Glory experienced a mechanical issue as it traveled south through the Suez Canal. Glory was either tied or at anchor in canal, north of Ismailia, as of January 9. While sailing from the Ukraine to China, the ship is loaded. Italy's Gioia Tauro port was blocked by the container ship MSC Elaine. While departing the port, the MSC Elaine became aground at the Gioia Tauro harbor entrance in Italy. She was still aground on January 9. Tugs were repairing her. No substantial damages were caused by a leak, and none were discovered. APIRB discovers that the cargo ship DAI Cat 06 vanished in the South China Sea. On January 9, the cargo ship DAI Cat 06 was reported missing in the South China Sea after going silent for 10 days. A ship's emergency position indicator radio beacon, APIRB, was discovered on January 8 around 30 nautical miles northwest of Pamangkat, Indonesia, in Borneo. Damaged, rendered inoperable, and anchored, Japanese destroyer JS Inazuma. After bottom contact, the Japanese destroyer JS Inazuma, DD-105, was reported as crippled and anchored in the Japan Inner Sea. No significant threat to a ship's seaworthiness is recognized. Remained moored as of January 10. Tanker MT Hong Pu was damaged by explosion. China, 2 missing, 15 crew members rescued, 6 and 2, in the Yellow Sea, 45 nautical miles southeast of Qingdao, a tanker experienced an explosion and fire on January 10. 15 crew members were saved, however 2 are still missing. All facts lead to MT Hong Pu 6, yet the tanker was not recognized. Off Wando, Korea, a Korean cargo is almost submerged. Massive water ingress occurred on a Korean general cargo ship off Hengan Island, southwest of Wando Port. In the southernmost part of Korea, patrol boats arrived, ensured the 9 crew members' safety, and provided pumps to the ship. Ship was accompanied by tugs and boats as it made its way to Wando Port. Major fire on the general cargo ship Fortuner, Indonesia. The general cargo ship Fortuner, which was anchored in Indonesia's Gresik port, experienced an engine room fire. Fire tugs and boats were called, and all 17 crew members were evacuated, although some hours after the fire started. It wasn't yet under control. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in comment section. Subscribe to MarinAura for more updates.